I think nowadays all of us have seen celebrities on social media wearing these fancy red light LED masks. I'm sure all of you must be wondering, does this actually work or is this just another fad now? Hi, I'm Dr. Asmita Kapoor, consultant dermatologist at Dermcos Skincare Clinic, and आज हम बात करेंगे about this red light therapy. कि ये क्या होती है, what are its benefits, what are its side effects and how does it work. तो red light therapy क्या होती है? Basically एक particular wavelength that is between 600 to 700 nanometers के wavelength पर आपको light therapy दी जाती है about 3 to 5 times a week. And that helps your cells to produce ATP. अब ATP क्या होता है? ATP is the fuel for your cells that helps reduce inflammation, promotes regeneration and wound healing, and even regulates your sebum. So red light therapy के benefits कौन कौन ले सकता है? It helps your skin glow, it reduces inflammation if you have any eczemas or psoriasis or certain conditions that cause an irritated skin barrier. Even for acne, it can reduce your sebum production and regulate it. So over time and over a few sessions, you will see difference in the texture of your skin, improvement in fine lines and skin glow. How is it given? So there are certain devices that are available for at-home procedure also, which are those skin masks or skin LED masks, and also through a device which gives light from all four corners, which is available at a dermatologist's office. Please invest in a good device which has FDA approvals or at least some scientific backing, because not all LED lights are the same, and if you use a suboptimal or subpar device, you may just be spending your money for nothing and you won't get any results. You can also land up with irritated skin, redness or rashes if you're not using the correct one. तो अगर इतना ही easy है ये therapy, then why to consult a dermatologist for it? So you may not be a candidate for it if you are suffering from any kind of photosensitive disorders या pigmentation disorders which can get worse with light therapy. So that is when a dermatologist's role comes into play. They will provide you with the correct guidance, the correct duration of treatment, and also if done under a dermatologist's supervision, you can achieve much better results with much better devices than you do at home. So please consult today regarding this therapy and how it can benefit you. अगर आपको ये वीडियो informative लगे, then please like, subscribe and follow our channel for more such scientific updates.